Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to open the Sea West boxes that made it from Japan via plane. Excited?
Let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. Okay, and then let's take the front bumper out. Okay. You can tell there is a difference between the sketchy body kit we have for the Supra and this.
The quality of this, and there's actually holes with threading in them. Very different from the Supra.
Holes, mount point.
This is quite a step up.
Grill in the front.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is nice. This is nice.
Okay, so let's put it on the box. And let's unwrap it. Do you want to put the...
You want to unwrap it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the strap.
Let's unwrap it. Fit the... Wait, no, that's the rear. That's the exhaust hole. That's the rear. That's not the front, that's the rear. I just realized it.
This is a nice rear bumper either way.
I'm sure people are going to be like, it's not the front, he doesn't know what he's talking about. We know I don't. nothing new there.
At least you never claimed to though.
We have a rear bumper. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, there's already the meshing, the holes are done, unlike the Supra that has no hole. There is threading in there.
Yeah, this is a lot nicer quality for sure.
So this is not carbon fiber or fiberglass. It's some kind of reinforced plastic. Flexible, PFRP, flexible material, Sea West. Even a tag on the inside, like you can tell, like they worked on it to make sure the hole were smooth. You can see the marks everywhere on this, on the inside. Like, so that's, I guess that's the difference between a 400 pound set and a $5,000 set.
Yeah.
Same parts, just, you know, 10x.
Same parts, different companies.
Okay.
Yeah, we got the Wish version and the real brand version.
Next part that was in the box of the rear disc, I'm telling you, it's the wing.
A lot of pieces.
I don't read that. Do you read that? Can you read that?
Yeah, of course. You can't read that. Right here, Sea West, GT Wing.
Oh my god.
Experience the next dimension.
What about the instruction?
Sea West, experience the next. That's all you need, right?
Yeah, so that's the wing. So I think we're gonna leave,
You want to leave it together?
We're gonna leave it together for now. I want to open another big piece.
Ready?
Yes.
Box number 2.
Box number 2. So much easier.
Ah, front bumper. Just kidding, 2 back ones.
It's a good thing you said front bumper first. That looks like the back bumper. I would have been
very confused.
Okay, now this is the stuff.
Okay, but most importantly, stickers. That's how you tell the difference between a low quality order and a high quality order. Just saying.
Wow. And documentation in my favorite language that Sam can read.
Yes.
English.
Right here? Look.
Yeah?
Sea West.
Nice.
Thank you. Happy to translate.
This is what the inside looks like. It's even on the inside, it's super clean. Mm-hmm. So what?
Oh my god.
It's a patch. Oh, it's one of the clippies.
He was pacing.
Yeah, so it's something we're gonna have to look for all the clips, make sure they're well placed. But something that's so Sam, come see. Mm-hmm. I want your opinion on this.
Yes.
So you see how we have a line
Yes.
going across. Do you think that's because that's another piece?
Yes.
They are like...
Yeah, it seems like these are 2 pieces.
But on the Inside.
Yeah, because they add this part at the end, right? But here you can actually see you can take away the light, you can see the shadow of my finger
that's
through it.
super interesting.
So it is 2 pieces,
Okay.
or at least maybe, I don't know.
So
I don't know.
how does it look from the front? Oh my. That's aggressive. Why? So
Just tension.
it's just from the tension of being shaped.
I mean, it's gonna be like primered and painted anyway.
No,
right?
I know, but it's if you guys know the precise reason why this happened, because we didn't see any of that on the rear bumper,
No.
and we have some also there.
Well, I think this is also angled quite a bit more.
Yeah, it's very aggressive. Okay, well, that's box number 2 for you.
Ready?
Last box?
Last box.
Wait, I have an idea. That's better. Let's open it. So, something here. We have a front part right there. One big piece with some of those marks. It's
Again, pre-drilled holes.
pre-drilled holes. And this one, I'm assuming because they've been putting things, but the main part, brackets. There
And
is
little clips and everything.
no bracket. So for comparison, in the Supra, there is no brackets and no holes. So this looks pretty good. Yeah, the Supra has no supporting mount, no bracket, no holes, no rivet, nothing. And to give you some context, this is what the Supra looks like. So the top lip right here should have holes that go all along for the tabs.
Next step.
The next step is going to be to fit this to the R34, which should go relatively smoothly, hopefully.
I have much higher hopes than the Supra.
Yeah, the Supra is turning into a slow nightmare. The R34 is turning into a fast dream.
Yeah, it's definitely going a lot smoother.
Okay, well, let's do it.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.